These 5 jobs can make you rich and happy. Are there jobs that can make you rich? Many motivational speakers did not think so. The general belief is that you have to build an established business with hundreds of employees and volumes of sales if you want to be a millionaire. However, there are many paths leading to the millionaire fold. You just need to choose the right career and get some of the jobs that make you rich and happy. Simple. You will start earning your incomes in 6 or 7 figures and save more than you spend. Here are some examples: 5 jobs that can make you rich and happy. Number 5. Marketing Manager. As a marketing executive, you have the power to make or break your company. That is why companies pay marketing executives to think well so that they can come up with marketing strategies that will make their company stand out. The lowest annual pay for a marketing executive is $150,000, while senior managers' take-home may be as high as $350,000 or more. It's clearly another one of the jobs that make you rich. Number 4. Investment Banker. As an investment banker, your services are needed to protect investments or to start new ones. That is what makes investment bankers one of the highest paid jobs that can make you a millionaire. Many in this field go home with 6-figure annual salaries. Handling clients with expansive portfolios professionally can give you income running into over $1 million a year. You can be sure of earning an average of $200,000 a year at the very least. Number 3. Architect. The services of architects are always needed in this period of boom in the real estate industry. There is never going to be a time in the foreseeable future when big projects will not be undertaken by companies, developers, and even governments. This is one of the jobs that can make you a millionaire. Working on just a project can fetch you a 7-figure income. However, even if you are employed, you can earn nothing less than $100,000 per year, while you can target $250,000 or more, which some architects are already making. Number 2. Engineer. If you become an engineer, you have one of the jobs that can make you a millionaire. Again, how rich you will be is determined by your field of engineering. Petrochemical engineers earn an average of $200,000 per year, while nautical and aeronautical engineers earn up to $300,000 per year. At any rate, you are going to be over $100,000 richer every year. No wonder 22% of the world's billionaires are known as engineers or have engineering degrees. Clearly, engineering is one of the jobs that can make you wealthy. Number 1. Doctor. Doctors are one of the highest paid professionals, and it has been so since time immemorial. Even among themselves, some doctors earn higher than others, depending on their areas of specialization. A general practitioner can make $300,000 per year. Specialists such as cardiologists, radiologists, neurosurgeons, and orthopedic surgeons can earn anything between $300,000 and $400,000 annually. Thus, being a doctor is one of the jobs that can make you a millionaire if you have what it takes to be a doctor. However, the education requirement of being a doctor and the cost can be prohibitive. Some doctors graduate with a debt of $200,000 or more in student loans. The number of years it takes to study medicine is also another prohibitive factor. Nevertheless, this medical profession is among the lucrative jobs that can make you happy and rich. You can pick a career from any of these jobs that can make you rich and happy. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell.